Ever wondered how billionaires buy yachts, islands, and sports teams without spending a single dollar? Most people trade time for dollars. Billionaires? They trade assets. Assets make money while you sleep. Real estate, stocks, businesses. Billionaires can borrow against them. When billionaires buy companies, it's often not their money. They use loans, investors, leverage. Imagine buying a $100 million company with almost no cash. Most people would freak out. Billionaires, they call it Tuesday. Step 1, borrow money. Step 2, use profits to pay back. Step 3, own the company without losing personal cash. This is called leveraged buyouts. Sounds fancy, but the idea is simple. Use other people's money. Step 3, tax strategies. They pay minimal taxes. Smart planning, not cheating. Step 2, investors often chip in, but the billionaire still calls the shots.
Oh, wow.
Luxury for free? Sometimes they lease yachts, cars, or planes from their own companies. It's not about having cash. It's about control, strategy, and risk management. It's not about having cash. It's about control, strategy, and risk management. Most billionaires never spend cash. They move other people's money, legally, cleverly, strategically. It's not about the money you have, it's how you use money. Think smart. Build assets. Leverage wisely.
Like this video if you want more secrets of the ultra-wealthy. Subscribe for weekly finance tips.